Gentlemen, I'm here to share a revolutionary, simple, and scientifically proven method that can transform your confidence and performance in just seconds. That's right. A simple homemade trick developed by Harvard scientists has already helped thousands of men regain their energy, vitality, and performance. Everything you need is right in your kitchen. Just grab a bit of salt and follow a quick 15-second process. Sounds too simple? I understand the skepticism, but let me assure you, this method has been rigorously tested and validated. It's the secret behind the incredible stamina and performance of some of the most confident and admired men. And this isn't just a temporary fix. We're talking about a natural and safe solution that can help you achieve levels of performance you never thought possible. Want to know how it works? It's simple. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comment right now and discover how this method has been transforming lives. Here's something few people know. Movie stars and top athletes have been using this secret to maintain energy and deliver exceptional results, bouncing back strong and without signs of fatigue, round after round. And now so can you. Don't waste any more time feeling insecure or limited. You deserve to regain your confidence, your vitality, and the best version of yourself. Access the link in the description or in the pinned comment before this opportunity disappears. Trust me, this could be the start of a transformation you never thought possible. Your confidence, your performance, your life. Nitrox Pro is just 15 seconds away from helping you achieve real results. Don't wait, click now. Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.